7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Hey guys! We're going on a fishing trip. We're going on a trip. My favorite fishing trip. Zooming through the sea. Ow! Sorry. What up, homie? What we doing? Big boat. Going on a party boat to party. Oh, hold the phone. I want to show you one. Whoa, totally fabulous. Totally fab. You're not into vlogging no more? No, I am. Do you have any strikes on your channel? I did have one, yeah. Yeah. Put in the description. I do not own any rights to this music whatsoever. Yeah, because there was a song in the background. Problem, your dad?
You could buy chips.
Yeah, that's what I tried to tell you. That's all you could get on the boat, though.
Wait, do you have to buy these?
Oh, they're hard. I told him he kept talking smack. I said, you better.
You gotta hold your finger on there like that, and then you lift that up and let go. But if you don't hold your finger up, this thing's gonna go and make a big tank.
Yep.
And hold your finger on and just let it go.
I'll
Hold
show
your
him.
finger.
That garbage piece, that's what we'll
what
turn
that's
into.
gonna
I'll
look
show you how to do it.
Wait, so like, even when I'm reeling one in?
No.
No,
Just
when you're
you let it
casting
down,
out.
You just pick that up in the air, but make sure you got your finger on it.
What if I like mess up?
I'll help you.
Then-
I'll help
then
you.
the meat that you open, then you gotta buy it.
Thomas, this is the biggest boat you've ever been on? I'm at the very edge of the boat, guys. And it's pretty damn cool. It's not a video. I mean, it's not, whoa, it's not a picture, Grant.
The Three Stooges.
It's a video.
Oh my God! Hell no! Get away!
Some exercise, fishing.
He wants to go to the front and go, I'm on top of the world!
We finally set sail. Wait, ew, put it down. Put the eel down. Oh my God, ew.
Sorry, your nipples. It's just an eel, bro.
Yeah, but don't pick it up with the hook on it like that.
Over to that. They don't know who I am.
That's my nephew talking.
Can I break his tail?
No.
That's what you gotta do. No.
There's the biggest fish boat I've ever got. Look how big it is compared to these keepers. It'll take it. But yeah, it's a pretty good time. I used to do this all the time when I was small. I was a kid with my dad, so it's like really cool doing it right now.
You don't even make it back to the house.
Eric caught fishes. I caught fishes. Thomas caught fishes, and my dad caught a real big fish. I don't know where he is. We on a big ass boat and don't get slashed by the wind. Dad, look at me. I think we have enough of them. When you're turning forward, I'm going to give them. So what? Do I just walk the bar?
What do you think about waiters? Try to keep up with your hands in your pockets when you're on
We caught 9 fish total between me, Grant, and my dad, and this right here is keeping me awake.
And I'm just in the cabin all by myself.